Have you ever felt like your past, your skills, your very identity were lost forever? Picture this: a woman far from home, weaving threads of hope from a life torn apart by war. Her name is Amara. At 45, she carried the weight of a life unraveled. Back in Syria, her family's textile business was her pride. Vibrant fabrics dyed with the colors of her heritage, sold in the bustling markets of Damascus. But war changed everything. Fleeing with her children, Amara arrived in Germany, a stranger in a cold, unfamiliar land. Her shop, her looms, her community, gone. The language barrier felt like a wall, isolating her. Her hands, once skilled at weaving intricate patterns, now felt useless. She wondered what was left of her. Amara's days blurred into gray. She lived in a small apartment, struggling to understand German, feeling invisible. "I am nothing here," she whispered to herself, staring at her idle hands. The world seemed to say her skills belonged to a past that no longer existed. Have you ever felt like your gifts don't fit anymore? Like the world has moved on without you? Then, one chilly afternoon, everything shifted. Wandering through a local market, Amara stumbled upon an art collective. Painters, sculptors, dreamers. Their energy sparked something in her. A woman from the collective noticed Amara's curious gaze and struck up a conversation. Through broken German and warm smiles, Amara shared her story. The woman's eyes lit up. "Why don't you teach others what you know?" she asked. That simple question was a thread of possibility. Amara's heart raced. Teach her weaving in a new country? Doubt crept in, but so did a flicker of hope. She remembered the women in her refugee support group, mothers, daughters, sisters, all carrying their own losses. What if she could bring them together? What if their hands could create something beautiful again? She started small. Amara invited a few women to her apartment, teaching them the ancient Syrian patterns she had learned from her grandmother. The room soon filled with laughter, stories, and the soft clack of looms. Together, they wove textiles that blended bold Syrian designs with modern European flair. Scarves, tapestries, table runners bursting with color. They called their cooperative threads of home. It wasn't just about fabric. It was about weaving their past into their present, their heritage into their new lives. Word spread. A local market invited them to showcase their work. Amara was nervous. Would anyone care? But as the market opened, people gathered. Shoppers marveled at the vibrant patterns, each piece telling a story of resilience. Orders poured in. Amara's cooperative grew, employing more refugee women, giving them purpose, community, and a voice. Amara wasn't just surviving anymore. She was thriving. Her hands, once idle, now wove a future. Amara's story isn't just about textiles. It's about rediscovering who you are when the world tries to erase you. It's about taking the threads of your past, your skills, your culture, your heart, and weaving them into something new. She found purpose by sharing what she knew, by building a community that celebrated where she came from and where she was going. So, what's your thread? That unique gift you carry, even if it feels out of place. Maybe it's a skill, a passion, a story. Don't let it sit idle. Use it to bridge your past and your present. Start small. Teach someone. Create something. Share your voice. Like Amara, you might just weave a new beginning. So, here's your challenge. Today, take one small step to share your gift with the world. Write it down. Try it out. Tell someone about it. Your story isn't over. It's just waiting for its next thread. Subscribe and share this story to inspire others to weave their own.